How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Roomba going in circles. Now, a Roomba usually goes in circles because of a dirty sensor, a jammed bumper, or a stuck wheel. Now, to fix this, we want to do the following. So, the first thing that I suggest is to check and clean the wheels. Most circular movements happen when one wheel is stuck or spinning unevenly compared to the other. So basically, if this wheel is spinning much faster than this one, then it will cause it to just go in circles. So just make sure that you pull the small front wheel out of its housing, pop out the axle, and wipe off any hair, dust, or wrap strings. Ensure that it spins freely when you put it back. Now, for the main wheel drive or the main drive wheels, you want to look at the left and right wheel, push them up and down a few times to dislodge trapped debris, and spin them by hand to check if they have equal resistance. And the next thing that I suggest is to check the bumper sensors, which is going to be at the front of the actual Roomba. And if the bumper is stuck, the Roomba thinks that it is constantly bumping into an obstacle, causing it to spin around blindly. So briskly tap the front bumper around 15 to 20 times on the left and right and center, because this helps dislodge dust particles trapped underneath. Look along the edges of the bumper to make sure that there is no trapped debris, preventing it from clicking properly. And of course, one of the easiest one about this problem is to just reboot the device, and this will simply fix simple software glitches. And the last thing that you want to do is to wipe the cliff sensor. Dust blocking the drop sensor at the bottom can cause the robot to constantly think that it's about to fall downstairs. So you want to locate the small rectangular window sensors just inside the edge of the bumper, and then you want to wipe them with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. And after doing this couple troubleshooting steps, it will then basically fix the problem. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.